Hello everyone, this is Betty from WMTCNC China. Today I'll introduce our hot-selling slant bed CNC lathe, TCK56A. Its CNC controller system is Slant, with English, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Spanish, Russian language setting. We can also offer other controller systems like GSK, Siemens, and Mitsubishi, according to your need. Its machine general parameters are as below. Its max swing over bed is 560 mm. Its spindle bore diameter is 65 mm, and its spindle nose is 8 to 6. Its turning diameter is 460 mm for disc, 340 mm for shaft. Its hydraulic chuck is 10 inches, and its linear guide railway is Haiwing brand from Taiwan. For this TCK series of CNC lathe machine, you can choose optional accessories like 12-station live tool turret, standard with 1 axial and 1 radial live tool holder and Y-axis. And you can also choose hydraulic steady rest to fix the workpiece. You can also choose initial tool setting probe. It can realize automatic tool setting, so it's more convenient and efficient during working. Its auto lubrication system is third brand. You can also choose chain type chip conveyor. It can remove the metal chips easily. Okay, so this is all about today's share of our TCK56A. If you're interested, please contact us WMTCNC China. Thanks for your watching.